Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can remove your card from hunger station. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your hunger station app, and once you open it, you need to tap on the three dots option on the bottom left hand side of the corner. Once you tap on the three dots, you will be now redirected to a different interface which probably looks like this. So once you are here, all you need to do is simply tap on the HPay option. After doing this, you need to now simply tap on the credit cards or card section, and after tapping on the card section, you will get different kind of cards that are linked to your hunger station account. So now simply select any of the card that you want to remove, and once you select it, you can find a trash can like icon on the top left hand side of the corner. So simply tap on it and tap on OK. So by doing this, you can remove your card from hunger station. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.